How to find a Facebook account by name. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on a device. Now the first method is simply tap on forgot password on the login page. Now tap on search by email instead. Now tap on the email box. Now simply type your Facebook name and tap on continue. Now wait for some time. In some scenarios you might have to wait for a few minutes. Now select your account from this page. Now the next method is go back to the home screen and open up any web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type find Facebook account by name and click on search. Now scroll down and open up this website. Now tap on this link. Now tap on email and type your name. Now simply tap on search. Again wait for a few minutes. Now select your account. If you don't find one, select I am not in this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.